in today's episode, we are going to walk through the steps to build out this GPT-like interface using Vercel's AI UI SDK or UI elements. To give you an example, let's just have it write a snake game. And so what this will bring us is not only does it bring highlighting, there's also auto scroll, again, just like streaming, easy copy. We're also going to have the ability to search the web, as well as add photos and files to our prompts just right here in our UI. And so follow along. So to get started, you're going to want to open your terminal of choice and begin by initializing a Next.js application. Then do an npx AI elements. This is going to take you through a similar onboarding flow as shadcn. In fact, under the hood, it is setting up shadcn. I just believe it is also setting you up with a handful of additional AI element components. Okay, at this point, we're pretty much set up. We just need to install the AI as well as the AI SDK React and Zod packages. These will actually just help us interact with the AI APIs. Now, I open up this code base in VS Code, but use your preferred IDE. And then we're going to open up the page.tsx file, and we're actually going to completely replace it with the AI SDK's documentation here. If you look closely at some of the imports here, you're going to just see that really we're just pulling in AI element components. It's set up very similar to a shadcn project, in the sense that all of these components are open source and easily customizable if you click into the source code. Now with UI in place, we're actually just going to create a chat API route that we again are copying from Vercel's documentation. And this is actually a simple, just few lines of code to hook into the AI SDK itself and its stream text function. Now head over to your terminal and let's run the dev server and check it out. If you go into the input and type something, you're going to notice nothing's happening. And if you check your server logs, you're actually going to see it's because we don't have an API key set up. So in this particular case, we're just going to use Vercel's AI Gateway key. And so what this actually does is we, in this case, pay Vercel, and they're going to become a gateway, so we can use all of the frontier models such as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, etc., all under one billing service. Add that API key to a .m file, refresh the page, and now if you try to type in, you'll see we get a response. Now the next thing I wanted to show you is the live search. If you ask, for example, here, what happened today, you'll see that the AI model does not have search capabilities. But with the quick click of the search, we now have search built right in. So this is actually one of the benefits of using the AI Gateway, is that under the hood we are using Perplexity's API. Not only that, but we have this cool little used 5 sources drop down that if you click into, you'll actually be able to see the sources of these things it's referencing. Now this dropdown is completely built in to the AI UI SDK and just comes for free with this setup.